Start in plank position with the arms and legs very straight. Feet are hip distance apart and shoulders are over your wrists. It's important to line up the shoulders properly in this pose as it's known for causing injury. Allow your heels to press back while the crown of your head reaches forwards. You can draw a straight line from the heels to the crown. Your hips are neither drooping or sticking up. Legs are firm and engage the core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Shift the plank forward, moving the shoulders in front of the wrists and the feet on tiptoes. Roll your shoulders back to blossom your chest through your upper arms. This will naturally cause your head and neck to come up a bit out of their flat position, but they'll still be in line with the spine. Lower to Chaturanga, bend your elbows straight back, hugging them into the sides of your body. They should not wing out like in a traditional push-up. Pause and hold the pose at the bottom, and then you can finish by moving to upward dog. Keep the chest broad, shoulders remain back and down, not hunched up by the ears. Roll over your toes, straighten your arms and breathe. Then release and lower to the floor or transition to another pose.